Look at the thermometer, right? That's in the shade. Not a good day for your poop truck to break down. Look at my flower. Poor thing. Alright, can you hear me? We got the backup truck here. That truck is broken. And it's pumping. Let's see. This is pretty exciting. We're following the line. We're making a movie now. This is exciting. There's the fallout from the other truck. There it goes. And through the garage by the Mastiff-mobile. Up and over. Hey, I bet you're happy you're watching this video, huh? I mean, really, right? The poop sucking video. Okay, hide your eyes, because I'm going to look in the hole. Poop. I wouldn't go under there. No frickin' way. I'd rather pump poop. Heads Heavy Rescue. There it goes. Bye, poop truck. I smell poop. Pee-wee says, I smell poop too.